Okay, so let's watch and see. It would be good. Should we hold on? I'm sure if we can we hold on for the next? Can we buy and hold on, or we leave it there? Team, can we buy? Boom, can we buy and hold it on up to these pips? Let's go. It's 2000 today. Can we hold on, or we just take that profit and leave? Okay. I hope those who are just joining knows what you're doing. We're doing Forex trading, and we're trading gold versus dollar. Gold is very volatile. So let's see. Let's see. We might make money by selling. If not so sure, we could wait. I think I need to get that. If I get one more confirmation, then go up, then I'll be very certain. But I don't want to risk my money now. For my normal trading, I think I'm good. Over trading is not good. Let's avoid over trading. Yes. Okay. Josh, Josh, are you able to install? Are you able to log into XNES? Yeah, the same way you're looking at the chart is the same way you can. For those who are using the phone, please download MT5. Download MT5. I think I'll try to maybe create another account. How to do that later. Guys, the first 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes quite dangerous, but let's look. Yes, let's do the live trade here, guys. You can try to look at all the trade that we did today. What is giving me this strong feeling is that from when the market opens, we had this big, those who traded yesterday felt the pain. It was coming. This strong bearish is now turning out to be, uh, I see from this, those who bought here could have, we blew account some point here, but we're taking the upward trends now. So I think it's a bearish. Do you take that confirmation, sell to reach our 1,000 or wait? We close with so much profits. Can see green means we made some profits. Yes, I've logged in. I'm trying to use a demo. Yeah, use demo. Use demo for learning. And please first learn for 4 weeks before taking on real trade. Okay, if you're new here, if you're learning, please first learn for 4 weeks before taking on new trade. Oh, 9:15. It's within that range. I told you, the first 15 minutes can go up, the next 15 minutes can go down. We can sell. Can sell and make money. But let it first come back and then we sell from here. Let's sell from around here. Okay. Let's first wait for this pullback. Then take on the sell. But please learn. If I'm going to buy, I'll wait for it to do this. I'll wait for it to come down. Then go up. Yeah. That's what I will do. But for selling it would work. But I can't sell at this point. I have to wait for it to be around here. If I was able to sell around here, I would have made much more money. And it's a strong pullback. This is what we call pullback reversal. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so please learn. Take it easy here. You will learn. You learn to trade. Subscribe. Like the video. Just drop a like. Like the video. Let's see how to make this tool. Okay. Let's wait for this pullback to happen and we see which direction it's taking. It's a difficult trade, but we'll use a smaller lot size. We'll use a smaller lot size. Okay, we'll use a smaller lot size, guys. I'm not going to sell now. I'm not going to sell. Probably buy. I'll wait and see. Right now, my position is standing at 1,000. Okay. So it came here. Let's use this position here. Yeah, wait. Wait before you buy. Wait before you buy. So let's wait a bit. We're going to buy. Let's check. 21. I think you better from 9:30. 9:30 is going to be a buy. 9:30. 9:30 to 10. It's going to be a buy. 9:30 to 10. We're using a 5 minutes time frame. If you're using a 10 minutes time frame, that would be okay. But let's wait. We're waiting for a confirmation. There's already a pullback. Let's wait. Okay. It's going to be a reversal very soon. We made it. We made some profits. Okay, I'm posting it on my shorts to see what we made today. We made it. Let's wait for that. So trading requires a lot of patience and discipline. Why? Because you can't tell which direction it's going to take right now until you wait for a clear confirmation. And our goal is to flip that to 2000 USD. Okay, let's wait and see. I see buy. Okay, yeah, wait for the candlestick for the wick to turn in our direction. We can't buy right now. We can't buy. Buy is coming, but first wait. Look, yeah, buy is here. We buy, right? Let's check the time. 9:25. Okay. We buy, we buy, we buy, we buy, we buy, we buy, we buy. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to use maybe a bigger lot size, but I didn't even see like the confirmation, but I was it a profit? Did we close a profit? Some losses? Hold on, hold on. I wasn't so sure about that buy. Made a loss a little bit. Let's wait for the second one. It's quite risky, man. Okay. Yes. Be sure to like the video, like the video. This is cool, but I just can't do that. I don't want to have this. We're going to a buy, but you see that pullback would have been bad. You see, imagine the wick is here and you buy, then it comes down. That I don't want that. Honestly, I don't want that. I want to be sure that it's going up. Yeah, I've posted. I made $1,000 today, guys. I don't lie to you. I ain't lie to you. I made $1,000 today. Let's wait for the confirmation. I ain't lie to you. Let's just wait for the confirmation. I ain't lie to you. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation. It's okay. The good thing it has closed. It has closed um below our support zone. So yeah, in the next 2 minutes, we're doing a 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes mean from 9:25 to 9:30. 9:30, then that it's going to go up, man. And please keep a record of each and every time you trade. Okay? Like what time do I enter the market? What time do I buy? What am I? You need to have a clear entry rules. I've talked about this over and over. Don't have any open position here, but we're about to open our market today. Yeah, this is kind of down, man. We'll see whether we'll have a buy, but we are buying. We are buying. So this stream will end at exactly I think we'll end it at at we end it at 10. We'll end the stream at 10. Yeah. I haven't had lunch. So I'll do the stream. Yeah. Guys, let's go by. It's 9:30. Let's go by. Are you sure? Let's look at it. We're doing a 5 minutes time frame. So which direction? It has come, go up. Is it still going up or it's going down? I don't know. Let's confirm the real market. I know gold is still strong. Oh, gold is strong. Uh, okay, it's going up, brother. It's a buy. 1236. Because of the war, dollar is going to gain. Trust me. Okay. Let's wait for it to give us that reversion. Yeah. Anyway, it's gonna buy. Yes, thank you for joining. We are trading live. Like the video for those who have just joined. If you haven't, let's go. What's this pool for? I'm gonna wait. Is this a bearish? Is this going to be a bearish? We need to study this. This is going to be now a bearish. Okay, I'll put this here. If this drops up to here, that was the lowest point that blew most accounts today. Let's wait. If this drops, if this comes up to here, I think I would see the trend. Oh, it's trending, man. How will you know if it rises? The green. Yeah, we look at um candlestick closing above support or resistance. So Lee is saying that how will we know if it will rise? We have this previous candlesticks. These are candlesticks. The green and red are candlesticks. So what we're doing, basically, the green you buy, the red you sell. So for us to make money is that you make money when it's going in your favor. If it goes against you, you lose money. So right now here, we are hoping that in our first, this is already nine. We are using a 5 minutes time frame from 30 to 35. Uh, it's here. Our minutes here. We are using a 5 minutes uh, time time frame. So and then also we're trying to do swing. Swing means we trade for a shorter period of time and take our profit. So if you look here, we have been closing with some profits here. A little bit of loss here because I was not very comfortable by the time I entered the trade. So I entered and decided to close. So we don't have any no open position. We're going to open our positions. Our lot size is 8, but you know how to calculate this lot size. And then there's also what we call points in values, PIP. The downer part is our support. The upper part is our resistance. But there's that point where the market will always respect it. If it is going up, it will continue going up. So these are the points when we will know that it will go up. So will there is there a specific candlestick to look at? Um, I think yes. Yes, but I don't want to go back to that part. Let me try to come back here a bit. Downloads. So these are the different types of candlesticks, okay? I don't know if you are able to see this. We talked about types of candlesticks here, okay, Lee? So you look for this, but there are several candlesticks. Me personally, I don't trade using the candlesticks. I look at, because if I'm to cram all this candlestick like the hanging man, if the bearish, it goes down. Red goes, red you sell, green you buy. Then there's this candlestick here. This high open, it opens here, it closes here. So and with a low wick, this tall thing is called a wick. Okay, so there's what we call different kind of candlestick. We have what we call hammer, inverted hammer, all those things. And then this longer thing here is called a wick. You see it's here, wick. So there are several candlesticks, bearish engulfing. So you need to look at these berries now to identify which direction it's going to take. So when you come to our trade here, you look at it. Or sometimes you need to look at something called the fair value gap for you to know where the market will go. But these are the different types of candlesticks that you can look at. Okay. Uh, yeah. But you'll get to understand this if you're a beginner. If you're a beginner, it's good to take on our courses. It's not yet going in our direction. We would wait unless maybe if we sell. Let me look at the time frame. Enter there. That's like for a few minutes. You see the money is already here made. So I prefer, if you're a beginner, I prefer you check out these free courses. First, understand introductions to Forex market, how to read candlesticks. Okay. If you're a beginner, it's important you learn this, how to read candlesticks. You need a separate class for that. But right now we are doing the basic technical analysis. Right now, this is what we are doing because we are doing a live trade. Live trade is difficult. Live trade, we're taking on a live trade. So I prefer, if you're a beginner, just watch how we do live trade. Yeah, but keep asking questions. Keep asking questions. So we were okay. Now this is a strong one. It has closed, I think, around here. We can check this out. We draw a line from here up to here. So if you look at here, it was able to go up to that point. So we know that we're doing some analysis. Let's just come up to here. Okay. So we will say that we have so many lines, but always I tell people when we have a lot of lines, we delete some of them and we work with the new ones. Okay. So it's time to buy. It's time to buy. Okay. It's time to buy. It's time to buy. Now we are buying. We are having open positions here. We are buying. Okay. Now when we are buying here, you see here our money starts going up. And we are going to use what we call scalping. Now we are making losses. We are making losses. Okay. And I don't want us to make that. Right now we're making losses. So if we close now, who would have made losses? Okay. You've made losses of 120. You see, even our money is reducing. We've made losses. We've made losses. Okay. But if this goes up, then we will make profit. Okay. Yeah. So I'm hoping that it's going to go up, but we have that. Yeah, we're hoping that it's going to go up. I can delete this. But we are targeting that if it goes up, it will come up to, let's say, up to here. So this is our point in value. This is our PIP. Maybe like 40% or how many percentage, that would be our point in value. Okay. Yeah. But if it goes down, we continue losing money. Okay. If it goes down, we continue losing money. But we are hoping that from here, the wick can come and then goes up, the upward direction. But if it continues down, we are cooked. And we can actually blow an account. See, you have lost $600 plus. Yeah? You have lost $600 plus. So that's the challenge with trading. Okay. And if you're not careful, if your money comes from this money to zero, you'd have blown up that account. Okay. You would have blown up that account. And from the way I see, now you see we have lost almost like $1,000, and it is dangerous. Now, and by the way, we can actually blow that account. Remember, at some point here it came up to here. Then it starts going up. Let's be careful. We are actually, this account is almost gone. We just have to wait for a reversal. If it comes below this, then that account is gone. But remember, this is where our stop loss is, here. Because in the previous chart, when you are doing the analysis, is that it came down up to here. That's why people call it Forex a scam, because if you don't analyze it well, it would really blow up your account. Okay, so here now an account we had in at almost $1,000 plus. One single trade is pulling it. We've lost almost $1,000 here. Okay, but let's be lucky that doesn't come below this, because if it goes below this and our money is not there, we've blown the account. Trust me, who would have blown that account? And not far from now, we would be gone. But right now, we can't, I can tell you, we cannot close it. You cannot close this. If you close it, it's very difficult to recover that money. You allow it roll. That's why most people fund an account they're ready to lose. You fund what you're ready to lose. If you're not ready to lose, you don't fund that account. That account is going. Probably, let's show you how accounts are being blown. It has touched down there. But I know it's going to have a very strong reversal from this. So now this is going to play. It's telling an insufficient fund in your account. Top up to avoid closer. Okay. Let's just top up here, because very soon we are going to be like in a deep shit. So that's how you save your account. You top up. Now you see it has gone. If you had not topped up, would have lost up all that money. Okay. That's why the first 30 minutes from 9 um from 9 from 9 actually these hours are very dangerous. This 9:44 to 9:30 to 9:40, it's very, very dangerous. Okay. But I always tell people that's the challenge with over trading. Here we are trying to look at all the candlesticks. But let's wait. Let's wait. But if now that it has closed above here, if it goes down one more time, yeah, we are cooked. We are cooked. We are cooked. So you need to have money that you are ready to keep topping up. Okay. And look, that's why people say, and now that it has gone up this, I don't know, it must be very, very difficult. This one, there's no any history that we are dealing with. It's just going against us. It's going against us. It's just going against us. But anyway, for learning purposes, it's cool. It's really, really cool. So probably at this point now, since it has come up to here, it's supposed to respect the market and start now going upwards. Let's respect the market and start going upward. This is a very big loss. $2,000. You don't have that money. Discipline, account management, and protect your capital. Protect your capital. If you're seeing all these things happening, would have done a reversal immediately. We close, take the small loss, just like what we did, and let it play. But I hope now this will go in our direction. And there's nothing we can do right now. Just have to wait for it to go in there. I'm not taking that trade. Okay. But on small accounts, I'll show you. The whole of next week, we are going to run a live account. Live account means real accounts. funded accounts. We're going to be running on a real funded accounts. But it's very difficult. We could make serious losses. Guys, subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's hit 40K. Subscribe. Subscribe. Let's hit 40K. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Let's hit 40K. Thank you. Let's hit 40K. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, drop a comment. Let's check. Let's check if this plays in our favor. The first, you see, the first, this first 1 hour is rough. From nine to 9 to 10. This is always rough. In the next 10 minutes, it's going to play. Now, this could be a reversion. This could be a reversion now. That could be a very good reversal for us. But for now, it's quite dangerous. That could be very dangerous. This is a bearish. This downward movement is a bearish. Mm. We have blown up account now. But of course, this one we were seeing it was just against us. Now, if you don't have, just top up. And then now, we just sell. Just for demo. The lot size matters. So we watch our account. But me, I don't do that. Me, I'm done taking my trades. I took my profits earlier. So that's why people keep saying it's a lot. Our lot size is big. Still, we are selling it against us. That's why I always tell people that swing trading is difficult. Swing trading is a little bit difficult. I just want to tell you one thing. Swing trading is difficult. For you to make some profit, it's very difficult. All right, so guys, that's it for today. We might not hit the 2000. Should we uh should we we need to know something here. We do always scalping, always on small account. Scalping on small account. Swing on big account. So it's difficult, very, very difficult. Look, right from when the market opened, a little bit, right from here. Bearish, bearish, bearish. It has always been bearish, bearish. So blowing up your capital means you don't have any money to trade, guys. So that's why people will say it's a scam, it's what. But anyway, always, always, it's going to come. If you be patient from around maybe like nine 9:30, maybe it will change. Okay, maybe something will change from that point. I don't want to open anything right now. Maybe from 9 it will change, but small account, very risky. So you need to do this trade always and always. When you're trading on your phone, you need to always understand. Now we're going to have that sale. Well, now if this is a hammer, if we get this, if we get this hammer, it's identical in shape to a hanging man, but different in this. If you see it like it having a high and a close with a low wick, it's going to be a bullish. It's going to be a bullish, means taking the upward direction. That one we can buy. So let's wait and see if this would be a bullish. And we can buy. So you need to be very keen always. We'll see. Yeah, that is it. That's a confirmation that I wanted. Here now, I can tell you. You can have open positions like many, and we will reach that $1,000 faster. These are 3, 4, 5, even 8. But you don't trade on this for long. Don't trade on it for long. We have if it goes 1,000, those are 8. You make that money, you just close. Five, 6, 56 to 10. Now look at the money you're making now. Buying at the right time because of this candlestick. Now this candlestick just closed below here. Now here, trust me, here's going to be a bearish. Let me even take the trade. Let me take this trade on my real account. Let me take this trade on my real account. All right, so guys, if you have money on your real account, yeah, you could take a better. You can take. That's going to be That's going to be It's going to be. Yeah, you see, we have crossed the $2,000 here. And if your goal was to make $1,000, eh, I'm making so much more money here. If your goal was to make that, you would make that. If your goal was to make $1,000, you would make, and you close it. But now we saw the opportunity, it came. Now we have to wait for this to go up to that. But anyway, the next 5 minutes, that's what's going to happen. You have to wait. 1 more minute to go. So that 1 minute is the one that decides whether you're making profit or you're, but we make profit. No worries. I'm trading on my life account. Anyone who buys now, you make profit. And if you have a small account, please just make sure that we're holding on. What? Now, what's that again? What is that again? What is that again? Don't blow up this account. Ah, what is that again? It's really disturbing me here emotionally. Guys, wait. But there's a strategy I always tell people that we could have pushed this account in 7,000, but you have to hold on. What's the time now? It's 10. Let's give it 5 minutes. Let's go to 10:50. 10. Yeah, let's get that confirmation and keep moving on. Came up to here. This was so cool. Yeah. You would have 5 minutes. Should be an upward trend. So if you see the first green, don't buy yet. Wait for the second green, and that's when you buy. But because of this strong armor, it, it should show us that it's going up. Yeah. My account standing is not looking good here. I can tell you. I can tell you. If I hit 2000 plus, that is it. I need to stop trading and focus on other things now. Okay, my account is now in green here. It's now going up. Should we hold on the trade? Should we hold on the trade? This is not so bad in terms of profits. Oh, I don't know. All right. I think I also have to close here. Yeah, I've closed here. So I'm going to wait for it to come back in the next 5 minutes. I have here like 2000 right now. So um I'm going to wait for the second one, then I will take on my trade. But it's coming. A good opportunity to make money is coming here now. So I'll take on my trade when it's going up. So at least now my account is having a good standing. $2,000. Okay. Can even come here and double check. You have $2,000. But after making several mistakes, you're now making this account at $2,000. But it can show you how much we have also made here. That's why I closed it. I closed this. If I didn't close it, I would be in shit, man. And I'm first going to study that candlestick. We were so lucky that we closed it when we are still in profits. Now I'll wait for a good confirmation. Okay. I'm going to check the time, 5 minutes. I'll wait and see what will happen here. That's a buy. That's a buy. Check here. Closes here. Down and close from down. That's a bullish, man. You can't cram all that, but yeah. I'll enter the market after the first green. I'm not going to enter right now. I'll enter the market after the first. I'll enter the buy after that first green. This has been very rough. I'll enter the market after that green. That I'm not going to be tempted now. I'll enter the market after that. And if I enter the market, I'll aim at that. Probably we eat like I don't want now that. Yeah, let's fast trade, man. Trade. We've done this trade almost for 2-3 hours. Guys, like the video, give it a like. Okay, so let's see. This should be your last trade if you're going to do a buy. Ah, that bearish was quite bad for us. And please take note of this lot size. If you do a smaller lot size, you don't make that much more money. Yeah. Smaller lot size, small risks, small. You don't make that money. But if I'm doing a real account, I'll do a small risk. Okay. But 0.8 is good enough. Make us have a good standing. I'm going to take trade after the first. After 10:10, I will take trade for 5 minutes. I'll close that. I'll take trade for 5 minutes, and that is it. I'm not going to wait for long because the market has been crazy. The market, the entry has been crazy. The market has been crazy. Okay, let's watch and back to the chart. Okay, let's buy. Confirm buy. Confirm buy. Confirm buy. I don't know how many buys I will make. I'll also buy on my real account. I don't know. Those are 4 buys. I'll trade for 5 minutes, guys. Let me do 8 because I have some good money there. Okay. Okay. I actually normally start with my demo account, then start playing in my favor, then I hit on my, yeah. I'm yet waiting to buy. It's crazy. It's crazy here. It has to cross all above that. And that's the last trade I'm taking. This trade between 10 to 10:15. It's the last trade I'm taking, guys. Okay, we're going to do that last trade, man. Over trading is dangerous, but this bearish has been too strong. Very strong. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. How is the pressure, guys? I said a buy, but I bought on my real account here. Things are not looking good. Things are not looking good. Control your emotions. I think this is crazy. I think this is crazy. This is crazy. Ooh, what are we seeing here? Really? What are we seeing here? Really, really, really? Really? Guys, that is it. That is